In this video I show how to download and install Telegram for PC, desktop and connect to mobile using QR code. On the other hand I show how to use web-based Telegram. First open any browser. In my case I use Google Chrome, so I open my Google Chrome and type Telegram for PC to download Telegram, then press enter key. As you see, click on the first link to download Telegram. Click on Get Telegram for Windows x64. As you click, the download process start automatically. Wait until the download process complete. Now the double click on Telegram setup to start installation process. Select the language as you want, then click on OK, then click on Next button, then Next, then Next, then click on Install. Wait for few seconds, then click on Finish. Then open the shortcut here, select the country that you live. Here you can access Telegram in two forms. The first one is through desktop Telegram and the second is through web Telegram by scan QR code. I show both methods. Now let's dive into by using QR code. Then go to your mobile and open your Telegram. Click on the three bars on the left side, go to setting, then click on devices, click on link desktop devices, then scan QR code from PC. After QR code scan successfully, Telegram start to open. As you see, my Telegram account asks cloud password that I gave previously. This may not ask you if you don't give cloud password, then click on next. Congratulations, Telegram opens successfully. The second method is through web Telegram. Use the same steps as desktop apps. Open any browser and write web Telegram or Telegram web. Click on the first link just like me. Use the same steps like the previous methods. All done. Congratulations, Telegram opens successfully. Have any question, ask me at comment section.